Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a new group on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, please consider giving it a like. Let's get started. On WhatsApp, tap on the New Chat button at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap New Group. On this page, select the people you want to add to the group and then tap the green arrow button once you're done. Now, give a name to your group and also set a profile image for the group. Tap the green tick once you're done. Your group will now be created and active. Tap the group name up top to go to its info page. You can add a group description here. You can make other people admins of the group. Just long press down on their name to bring up options and then tap on Make Admin. You can also remove people from the group here in the same way. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.